Hey there, welcome back to LearnXpert. In today's quick 10-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to become a designer using Canva. Perfect for beginners and small business owners. Whether you're looking to create eye-catching social media posts, stunning marketing materials, or professional business cards, Canva makes it easy. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by heading over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free using your email or your social media account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva homepage, where you can access all the tools you'll need to become a design pro in no time. Now, let's take a quick tour of the Canva dashboard. On the left, the center of the screen is where the magic happens. This is where you'll create all your designs, and on the right, you can access your account settings, notifications, and more. One of Canva's biggest strengths is its massive library of templates. Whether you're designing an Instagram post, you'll find the main navigation menu with options like Home, Templates, Projects, and more. A flyer or a business card, there's a template for that. Let's say you want to create a social media post. Click on the Social Media tab under Templates and browse through the options. For this tutorial, we'll choose a simple Instagram post template. We can find the template here under Design, Template, and you also have Styles for your color palettes with these moods. Let's find a template that we like, and again, the crown icon indicates that it's a Pro template. That means you need to pay for Canva Pro, and the ones that don't have a crown icon are free templates, which you can use for free. So let's find a template that we like, and let's find something that's free. You can also type in the template that you want. So for example, let's type in the word coffee. Now we have a whole selection of all the coffee-related templates. Let's choose one that we like. Let's go with this one. Now, with your template selected, it's time to customize it. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super easy. Want to change the text? Just click on it and start typing. If you want to swap out an image, click on the image and hit delete, and then drag in a new one from the Photos tab. Or you can simply find an image from your photos. You can upload your image, or you can find anything here. So let's type in coffee. And we're going to find a photo. And let's use this one. So you can simply drag and drop it on top of the image, and it replaces the image right away. You can also change the colors, fonts, and more to match your brand's identity. It's all about making the design your own. To change the color, you can simply click on the design and change the color by clicking it here. You also get to see some colors available based on the photo and the background photo that you're using. So let's say we want to use this color. There we go. And we don't want this to pop out, so let's find the element. There we go. And there's also one element here that we want to cover, so let's do the same color here. All right. Now, there's still a green tinge here, so let me just change that by going to Effects and changing the color. There we go. Now, for small business owners, consistency is key. That's why Canva lets you easily add your branding to any design. You can upload your logo by going to the Uploads tab and then drag it into your design. You can also set your brand colors and fonts by clicking on the Text and Colors tabs. You may need to upgrade to the Pro version so that you can make use of the brand kit. Once you have this all ready, You can ensure that every piece of content you create is on brand and professional. Now, once you're happy with the design, it's time to save and share it. Canva offers multiple download options, including PNG, JPEG, and PDF. You can also share your design directly to social media or send it as a link to your team. Just click share and then download, or you can click share on social. There are also more options here if you'd like. And that's it. In just less than 10 minutes, you've learned how to become a designer with Canva. Whether you're a beginner or running a small business, Canva is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you create professional designs with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment to let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to LearnXpert for more Canva tips and tricks. See you on the next video. Bye!